Yon, good morning. Day 3 sa El Nido, day 2 sa tour. Maswerte dahil walang restriction ang Coast Guard sa Tour C. So matutuloy kami. Thank you Lord sa magandang weather. At dahil ngayon ay Sunday, sobrang dami ng tao. Pero okay na rin. At least matutuloy.
Lang po yung mga guest ng Winter Spring 2. Rest Ada.
Maganda mo sabihan mo kung
Ang daming tao. Pero masaya to.
Organizer po ng Winter Spring.
Bad news, kinancel ulit ang Tour C. So Tour B kami. Ito ang bangka namin, Arribada 6. Yun, mas malaki itong bangka namin yun. Ito kami naman sa dulo. Dulo naman. Safety first. Wear hold life vest ko.
Before we start to,
Yes.
I will be your tour guide for today. Also our captain Wilson. Morning po, mabuhay po.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Also our chef Tom. Chef. Alright, so by the way namin sir, so by the way we're going to Tour B. Tour B was completely, we have 5 destination or 5 stop, okay? So now, going first in Cathedral Gate. So from here, we're gonna travel like 40 to 45 minutes from here, okay? So and our second destination is Cotonou Gate, Cotonou. And the third one is snorkeling area. So that's our snorkeling area. Go for snorkeling, one of the diving spot. And our fourth destination is Snake Island. That's why I call it Snake Island because of the sandbar. It's look like snake. The water is low tide. You can see the sandbar. It's look like snake. But right now we can see the sandbar because it's high tide. So but you can walk right there in Snake Island. So we have lunch also in Snake Island. That's our lunch area also. And our last destination is in Talola Island. That's our last destination. So every destination, so we're gonna stay like 40 to 45 minutes because we have 5 destinations. Because the Coast Guard said we need to get back here before 4 or 4:30 because of the wind. Okay. And also Robinson about the Nino. So Nino is one of the protected area. So we have our own regulation we need to follow. First one, please don't throw any kind of garbage. Okay. Don't throw any kind of garbage in the water. And also don't get any kind of marine life like shells, corals, crab or sand. Don't collect, okay? If you collect that, it will be penalty and the airport of bird of the season. Okay, don't collect. So don't forget the ecotourism, always saying, take nothing but picture, kill nothing but time, did nothing but footprints of the animals. Okay? So maybe the other provision I tell you in our first destination and Cathedral Cave. Okay? So I'm just telling you in the other provision. So now we're gonna travel 40 to 45 minutes from here going to our first destination. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Gusto naman yung mga natin sa araw, pwede pa kami mag-picture.
Cathedral Cave. mamaya si Blas ano pa yan. So solo.
Eh, uga-uga eh.
Huwag kayo maghawakan kaya. Kadugnon Cave. Ito yung cave. So ito na yan. Siyempre hindi. Sige, yun na.
Okay. Hindi, una yung pa. Yun yung pa. Una yung pa.
Yan, good.
Ba JJ, di kaya?
Wala. Na meron naman, kaya lang ano to, noisy. Tingnan mo yung naapakan mo ah. Op, 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 op. Hala. Traffic palabas. Super White Sand Beach. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan.
Kuya, lobat na to? Lobat na?
Andyan na.
Ha?
Ano?
Lobat na to?
Hindi.
Paano malalaman?
Claro.
Okay. Fourth destination, Snake Island. Time check 2:18 PM. Okay. Snake Island. Mangrove.
Makawan ay hal.
May panikin. Ayan o. Nice. Hike.
Tuhod. Hindi mapagod.
Taas din yun ah.
Kaya ba?
Pataas din. Yes, mahirap. Yes. Yung kasi yung taas. Oh. Hey.
Sorry, akala ko na.
May trail dito pa.
Ay, ma'am.
Dito kayo sa kabilang sa'yo. Ayan, sa middle. Pagkatapos.
Hanggang na. Mahirap din pababa. Mahirap din papanik. Mahirap din pababa.
Ikaw kaya, try mo.
Nope. Not doing that. No. At kami nakabalik na galing sa taas. At ngayon ay umuulan na. Oh no. Mangroves. Bakawan. Video naman yun. Super sand. Ayun ang aming bangka.
Sabi nung isa, alam may gusto pa tayo. Sabi ko yun. Kala niya alis. Oo. Kasi naglilink tuloy.
Ang aming last destination sa island hopping ng El Nido, El Talula Island. Beach pala, sorry. El Talula Beach. Lahat ng beach dito maganda. Siyempre, powdery white beach. Powdery white sand. Explore. Powdery. Grabe tong El Nido.
Mawawala boy. Kasi lang
Buhangin. Explore. Okay. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung landscape dito. Kakaiba. Sin hindi pa ako nakakita ng ganito somewhere else. Parang yung buong El Nido ganito eh.
Beach volleyball.
Volleyball oh. Yun oh. Toilet. Grabe. Ah, sorry. Thank you. Kaganda.
Ayusin mo!
Naging totoong laban na oh.
Isa pa! Okay, game! No, isa pa! Kuha ni Buhe. Okay, Kuha. Akin? Set, Nard, set! Hop! Jolly!
Ayos.
Ano score?
Yun, paalis na kami rito sa N. Talula Beach. Okay, balik na kami dun sa El Nido Port. Time check for sa alas 4 na. Ganda mo, El Nido. Pinakamalapit na pwesto. Pabalik na kami El Nido Port. Touchdown ulit, El Nido Beach, El Nido Port. Sakto. Mga magpa 5 na. Tricycar. Puro gaya ng mga sasakyan dito. Layo na ride ko. Ito, masarap na ride. Medyo may kalayuan nga lang. Touchdown. Touchdown. Welcome to El Nido. Ay nako. Honda Beat lang tayo. Ride. El Nido. So baka super right. On the beat. munisipyo. Yun, pabalik na ako sa Milan Grace. Touchdown. Yun, last day. Magmumotor kami papuntang Duli Beach. Time check 7:40. Para lang ano, sayang activity. Makita mo yung mga kapaligiran. Harap ko. Ano lang mal, 10 seconds lang. Meron pa sa template eh.
Mamaya na pagbabalik.
Papasok yun. Ganda pala rin ito. Rio Beach! Yan, ito yung ganda. Yun, kulay mo. Ang ganda rito. What a nice! Sabi ni Passing monkeys. Ang ganda naman nun. Air Swift Puni. Ayun. Ayun. Isla Amara. Isla Amara. Picnic advisory.
Okay, malaki kami ano. Isa lang. Tatlo po yung kami. Tatlo.
Dito ang kalsada papuntang airport. Okay. Thank you Lord. Paalis na kami rito. El Nido, Palawan. Papunta na kami ulit ng Puerto Princesa. Pero na-adjust yung flight. Malamang delayed kami ng matagal na. El Nido Airport.
Bound for Butuan, Bacalon, Northern South passengers for boarding. Please to board.
Okay, airport na kami. 7:40, kaya lang 11 pa yung flight. Lalabas pa kami ulit, pwede pa naman doon. Okay.